Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Without Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will be working on this Titan watch which is powered by an automatic movement from Seiko Nh70A with 24 number of jewels. In this video I will show you how to disassemble this movement step by step. So let's get started. So let's start the disassembly process. First I will remove the rotor. Then I will remove this bridge which is secured by two screws and it is for the pawl wheel. In this movement, we can't simply unwind the mainspring through crown and stem as we can with other movements. So we have to do it like this. This is how I will unwind the mainspring. I will control the release of the mainspring with a screwdriver and let it unwind slowly while holding the ratchet click with a pegboard. I don't know why I didn't remove the ratchet wheel after removing its screw, but anyway I was now removing the balance wheel upper jewel. First I will take out the shocker. So this wheel is called ratchet wheel, and now I will take out the balance with its bridge. After removing the balance wheel, I can remove the pallet fork. Once the pallet fork is removed, I will remove the train bridge, which is secured by 3 screws. So now let's take out the wheels. This is fourth wheel or center second wheel, third wheel, and this is escape wheel. And this thing is called ratchet click. And this is barrel complete. So now I will remove the keyless fork. First I will remove the setting lever spring. Underneath there will be setting lever and yoke. And there will be one more part which will be used for hacking of this movement. Now let's flip the base plate and disassemble this side of this movement. First I will remove this guard which is for minute and hour wheel. This is our wheel and this is minute wheel, and here is the cannon pinion. So last but not least, center wheel bridge and center wheel.